Negatory, I'm just trying to get this video gate going here. You got 21 over here in South Carolina, Roger?
Roger, 21 sounding good down here in Texas, Roger.
10-4, I didn't get that 28, come on. Hey, T-Bird, how in the world you doing, man?
Oh, plugging up in Texas.
T-Bird, how in the world you doing today?
Well, I'm doing great, man. Everything's going up roses, Roger.
I hear you. Well, we got another round of rain today. I know y'all probably wish y'all had some more rain out there, but hey, they shoot us rain for 15 days straight here, Roger.
Roger, yes, we can use it, but we're concerned, I guess. Anyway, take care, 21 people. I'll shoot a load of catch you later, T-Bird. I'm out.
All right, T-Bird, mighty fine, man. Appreciate it. Enjoy your weekend. Dirty Diaper 21, standing by. Hey, 222, I got you on the flat side now. How's that? A little bit better? Come on. Hey, Keystone, yeah, no doubt about it, man. You put me in the corner again there. That fella there was just talking with me. He got lost in the shuffle there, but yeah, appreciate that. Now, 285, looking good on the video gate again. Dirty Diaper standing by.
Hey, no doubt about it. No doubt about it. Dirty Diaper, one of the video gates are rocking around. I'll tell you what, man, you saw me. So maybe I just got to get a game up. No doubt, man. 285 rocking rolling around the Keystone, and I'm getting on down. Hey, 350 coffee cup.
10 Roger, 10 Roger. All right, 285, I got that 350, that coffee cup. Hey, coffee cup, 350, how you doing in there today? Come on.
I hear somebody out there saying 282.
Oh, now see, that's 285 again. 350, 350, that 285's got me plugged up. Come on.
You must have forgiven, but I thought don't be an odd into them mud ducks out there, Roger, because if they knew it was independence in 2020, how's it going, 2020, 285 the Keystone Raven?
Hey, 285, 2020 had to go watch TV. Hey, 2020 had to go watch TV. Dirty Diaper over here in South Carolina just got down.
Hey, no doubt about it, Dirty Diaper. Man, you blessed me. Some mud ducks out there. You can't down, right? Hey, Diaper, coffee cup is waving. I'll get back with you. Have a good weekend. Hope you had a good one. 350, there you go.
All right, 350, I sure appreciate it, man. 350 sounding good. Hey, tell all the fellas up around that way that talk on channel 20 and 21 that Dirty Diaper did say hello. Hey, coffee cup, Dirty Diaper, South Carolina just got down.
Yeah, Dirty Diaper sound a whole bunch of good too, man. Hey, you know me, I travel around the band. I go down to 20, 22. I'm driving along, but I'm a little bit tired today. I'm picking up the slack. That's all I'm doing. 350 Road Island Coffee Cup with a weekend leave with the 4th of July. A beautiful, beautiful day in the neighborhood up around the corner. It's hot. Stay thirsty and stay cool. Down there, 350 on the mail.
All right, coffee cup, mighty fine, man. All right, this Dirty Diaper 21 standing by.
Hey, Dirty Diaper, you gotta quit making so much noise up here in the Keystone. know. He's up in Pennsylvania. Once again, they call me 285.
10 Roger, 285. You too, man. You blowing me out down there. You and that coffee cup. Y'all burying the needle. 60 dB in South Carolina. I'm gone.
No doubt about it. He's going to show it off to him over there, 42.